Okay, so today I'm gonna work with this Kilo Code. I mean, it's a AI agent actually. It's not a code editor. It's just a agent, and I'm gonna use it with cursor. I'm actually sorry. I'm gonna use it with this code. So okay, I have just I have created an account. Let me just come back here. Okay, so it's the main website, and I have just created an account from the top corner, top right corner. Login. Yeah. So you can continue with your Gmail, and then you will have this interface. So they give me 5 credit, and I have not installed the extension yet. Okay, so install extension and open URI. Let's click on it. Kilo AI agent. Try Kilo Code for free. Use your own API key. Let's try it for free. Oh man. Let's close the copilot and use it. Okay. I will give it some task and let's see how it performs. Let's have it, and there is many models here. Let's keep the kilo code, and kilo API key is already integrated. Topic, Anthropic, Cloud Ribbons and Sonnet. Okay, let's save it and done. Okay, I will just a minute, just a second. Okay. So let's check the credit first. A total 5 credit. Okay, so that means it takes only 0.05 or zero 0.06 credits per prompt. Okay, that means we can at we can have 500 uh we can have 100 prompts by one Gmail account. I don't know is it monthly or not. Okay, let's check its capability first. Design a data table with students data, data showing grade, GPA, okay. Okay, let's see how smartly it can handle this table, or it can make this table. So it's my HTML file and it's the CSS file. Budget. Okay, man, it's too fast. CCTV is also complete. It's seriously too fast, man. Wants to use the browser. I don't know, is it gonna show the output or not? Okay, so here is the result. Student performance data. Student name, grade, GPA science mark, total marks. I don't know how it calculate the total marks. And CGPA 3.9. Okay, let's try something uh different. I will ask it for some advanced UI. And it physics, chemistry, and biology mark list. Kilo Code appears to be stuck in a loop, doing the same action in the direction repeatedly. That might include a problem with its current strategy. Okay, let's see how it gives us with the new prompt. Okay, let me just tell something about this AI. You can use this for problem solving actually. I mean, if you got an error, you can use this directly to solve all this error at the same time because it's an ID, and it just takes all these files together and then it make an operation. I mean solve the problem from inside. It's too much fast. I don't know if it dynamic or not. The name, grade, GPA, physics, chemistry, biology, total marks, CGPA. Okay, as I have used lots of AI ID till now, but uh, I don't know. I'll not say that it's best, but it's just you can use it. That's it. But if you wanna know my personal choice, then I'll say Katsuru is best because in this prompt, Katsuru will make you something unexpected. And another one is Visual.dev. It's another master. It's an it's Visual.dev is in next level actually for UI design actually. Okay, so that was it about Kilo Code, and I hope you like it. Let's see how much credit we left. 4.39 after many prompts. And not that much actually, but we completed a design with just 0.66 credit. So that was it. Uh, okay.